How toxic people hijack your brain without you knowing. 7 mind theft tricks they don't want you to see. Someone close to you might be messing with your head right now, and you're clueless. What you're about to see will flip how you look at people forever. Section 1. The copycat game. It starts simple. They're obsessed with everything you're obsessed with. Same shows, same food, same life goals. You think you found your twin, but they're actually studying you like homework. Section 2. The approval drug. Phase 2 hits different. They hype you up like nobody ever has. Best cheerleader you've ever had. But here's the sick part. They're getting you hooked on their praise like it's crack. Section 3. Reality tampering. This is where it gets scary. You've got your trust. You're addicted to their validation, so now they start messing with what's real. Little lies, tiny contradictions. Are you sure that's what happened? Section 4. Mental takeover. The final move is brutal. Your thoughts become their thoughts. Your dreams become their dreams. You swear it happened naturally, but every single move was planned. Section 5. Why smart people get wrecked. Plot twist. Smart people fall harder because they explain away the weird stuff. They turn red flags into, oh, they're just complicated, or they have trust issues. Section 6. How to block them. Here's your defense playbook. Your gut beats their words every time. Don't put all your self-worth in one person's hands. Write stuff down. They hate when you have proof. Keep friends they can't touch. Conclusion? Worst part? Half of them don't even know they're doing it. They learn this stuff from getting played themselves. But now you're awake. And once you see it, they can't touch you. Subscribe to the Shadow Lens for more.